Welcome to the Setting Up the SugarConnect plugin for Google Workspace video. In this video, you will learn how to install and log into SugarConnect in Google Workspace. Before we begin, there are some conditions to consider. Before you can install and log into SugarConnect, your Connect administrator must add you as a user. You will receive an invitation email when this occurs. You also must make sure that you haven't blocked third-party cookies in your web browser. Lastly, some third-party browser extensions may interfere with your installation of SugarConnect. If you are having trouble launching or installing SugarConnect, confirm that you have disabled any connectors that are known to be incompatible with SugarConnect. You can find that list in the supplemental material in this video's description. Now that we've outlined the prerequisites to install SugarConnect, let's begin the install. You must use a Google Chrome web browser. Navigate to your Gmail inbox and make sure you're logged in with the email address you used to access Sugar. Locate the SugarConnect extension in the Chrome Web Store and click on Add to Chrome to install the extension. After installing, reload Gmail and find the SugarConnect icon on the right side of your Gmail inbox. Click on the icon to expand the SugarConnect sidebar and connect to your Sugar user account. To log in, first click Login under the SugarConnect Login section. Depending on whether your organization uses Sugar Identity, Single Sign-On, Multi-Factor Authentication, or a combination, the steps to follow will vary. However, once you've completed them, you will show as logged in to SugarConnect. Now, click the Login button in the Sugar Login section. Enter your SugarCRM user credentials when prompted. Once this is complete, you can start using SugarConnect. You should now have an understanding of how to install and log into SugarConnect for Google Workspace. For more information about using SugarConnect, please see the links to supplemental materials in the video description below. Thanks for watching.